Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to turn off antivirus in Windows 11. So right away we're going to click on the search bar, or you're going to click on the start on your Windows and search for settings. We have settings here, we're going to click on it, and on the left side we're going to go over to privacy and security. When this is clicked, click on Windows security, and right here you have different options. We have virus and threat protection, we're going to click on it, and you have these options here. Now you're going to look for virus and threat protection settings. We're going to click on manage settings, and then you're going to toggle off all these options. For example, you have real-time protection, you're going to toggle this off. Dev drive protection, toggle this off, and any other of these options will be toggled off if you'd like to turn off antivirus protection. When you want to turn it back on, you have to repeat the process in reverse. You have to toggle them all on to have your protection once again. If you found this video helpful, do give us a like and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.